How to file taxes on TurboTax in 2025. Alright, so filing taxes on TurboTax this year is pretty straightforward, and I will walk you through it by step. First of all, gather all your tax document, which is stuffs like your W2, 1099s, receipts for deduction, and your social security number, which is your SSN number. You will need this to fill up everything out accurately. Now head over the TurboTax website or app. If you're new, create an account. If you have used it before, just log in into this. So this is a login. Just go and click on sign up here or sign in. And here you have to enter all these your credentials to get into your account. And then once you are in, start a new return. So TurboTax will ask you some basic questions about your filing status, like if you're single or married, and then guide you through entering your income. You will input info from your W2s or 1099s or any other income source. If you have got deduction or credit, like for student loan, kids, or charitable donation, TurboTax will help you claim those too. After you have entered everything, take a few minutes to review your return. TurboTax will run an error check to make sure everything looks good. Once you are confident, right, then once you are confident that it's accurate, you can file. E-file is the fastest way. TurboTax will send it straight to the IRS. If you are getting a refund, set up direct deposit so it hits your bank account quickly. If you owe, you can pay right through TurboTax. Finally, save a copy of your return, and this is how you can do so. Thanks for watching this video.